weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashtabula County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Jefferson and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Andover. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula, Ohio,